This place feels almost too beautiful to be real. Hidden on the coast, just outside of Trieste, Italy, is Miramar Castle. A fairy tale palace surrounded by the Adriatic Sea. Built in the 1800s as a private escape. I mean, could you imagine waking up here each morning? This castle stands strong, untouched, and frozen in time, resting above some of the clearest blue sea. It honestly feels like one of Europe's hidden secrets. Would you pay this place a visit?